Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when Adobe Photoshop 2021 is not launching on your Windows 10 computer. So when you click on it, it is not opening. So in order to fix this problem, on the bottom here you can see the taskbar. So make a right click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Scroll down and here you can see multiple Adobe Photoshop 2021 services are running over here. So go ahead and select one by one and then click on End Task. So close all the services for Adobe and then close the Task Manager and then go to the Start menu and you can go ahead and launch the Photoshop. So that should go ahead and fix the problem. But still you're facing the problem. In that case, run Photoshop as an administrator. For that you can go to the Start menu, make a right click on Adobe Photoshop 2021 and then click on More and then click on Open File Location and then make a right click on Adobe Photoshop and then select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab and then put a check on the box which says Run this program as an administrator. Then click on Apply, OK, and then try to launch the Photoshop. Now still you are facing the problem, then make sure that you allow the Photoshop to your antivirus program. So if you have any third-party antivirus, make sure that you allow the Photoshop to the antivirus program. Now if you're using Windows Security, go to the Start menu, then click on Settings, go to Update and Security, then click on Windows Security, then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Scroll down and here you can see Manage Ransomware Protection. Click on it, then click on Allow an app through control folder access. Click on Yes to allow and then click on Add an allowed app, then click on Browse all apps. Go to C drive, open program files, then open the Adobe folder and here you can go ahead and select Adobe Photoshop 2021 and then click on Open and then select the exe file from here, click on Open, and once this is added you can try to launch the Photoshop. Now still you are facing the problem, then restart your computer, go to the Start menu, click on power icon, then click on Restart and then try to launch Photoshop. Still you are facing the problem. If nothing is working, then you can go ahead and uninstall and reinstall Photoshop. To uninstall, you can go ahead and type in Control Panel in Windows search box and then click on Control Panel, then click on Uninstall a program, find Photoshop and then click on Uninstall, click on Yes to allow, and here you can see the option Remove. So click on Remove, and once it is uninstalled, restart your computer, then you can go ahead and reinstall Photoshop from Creative Cloud. You can open Creative Cloud and you can find Photoshop and then click on Install, and one of the steps should definitely help you to launch Photoshop successfully on your computer. So that will be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.